Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain about Phyllotaxy, which is in grade 11 biology plant kingdom. Phyllotaxy is a pattern of arrangement of leaves in stems or branches. Before understanding about Phyllotaxy, let us understand what is structure of leaves. Structures of leaves. A leaf contains 5 main parts or structures. As you can see, this China rose contains stepule, petiole, and lamina in the leaf. Phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy is a pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem or branch. The function of phyllotaxy is to increase plant's ability to carry photosynthesis by positioning the leaves to maximum the surface area. Phyllotaxy could be 3 types, which is opposite phyllotaxy, alternate phyllotaxy, or whorled phyllotaxy. Opposite phyllotaxy is in which the pair of leaves arises exactly opposite to each other at each node. Example of phyllotaxy is a guava. As you are able to see, this guava contains only 2 leaves in each node, and in each node there are no more than 2 leaves. Alternate phyllotaxy. The leaves are arranged in an alternate manner such that a single leaf arises from each node. The example of alternate phyllotaxy is China rose. So here a single node contains only 1 leaf, and when compared to other nodes it's arranged alternate to each other. So this is alternate phyllotaxy. Whorled phyllotaxy. It is in which a set of leaves or more than 2 leaves arise from at a node in the shape of ring. Oleander is the best example. As you can see, each node contains more than 2 leaves, and in this node contains 3 leaves, and which are the form of ring shape. So each node contains more than 2 leaves. Thank you.